Hey, so if you follow me on TikTok, you probably saw a video of me the other day at a Scheels store in Billings, Montana. I found some wooden weapons and I was like, ooh, these are kind of neat. Hold up, I do woodworking. I can make these. Not only can I make these, I can make them better. So today I'm going to start by making a wooden battle axe. I've already got part of it drawn out. Got part of the blade here. So I'm gonna cut out this blade and then I'm gonna make a way to make this into a full head, attach it to a handle, and do a bunch of shaping and detail work to make it look really good. Let's do it. So now that I've got the basic profile of the axe head cut out, I'm gonna put on my mask and I'm gonna do a bunch of sanding to get it to shape. Let's do it. So over the course of my sanding, it went from a battle axe type head to more of a bearded axe type head, which I actually really fond of. I think that looks really cool. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna build a piece that will wrap around a handle and hook in. There's gonna be a lot of cutting and gluing, so bear with me. that's glued up, I'm gonna leave it to dry for a little while. I'm gonna work on the handle, do some other stuff, and I'll come back to that. Good stuff. So now, when I've got my handle made, I'm gonna go shape the head. Eventually, I'm gonna stick the handle into the head and glue it all together. Maybe put some nails in, but I wanna shape the head before I actually put it on the handle. So, let's keep going. So, got the head and the handle basically where I want them. Now, I'm going to fit them together, do a little bit more shaping, and call it good for now. Because I don't know if I'm going to paint it or not. We'll find out once I'm done. So I finished the axe. The head's a little bit big for the handle, but you know, I still like it. I'm debating on whether to paint it or keep it plain so that things don't get censored if I try and post it other places. You feel me? May just finish it off with a nice like wood finish. Let the grain of the wood come out. I haven't decided yet. But I'm really pleased with the shape this took. It was actually a whole lot of fun to make. And I'm definitely going to be making more of these in the future. So, until next time.